BrainPop is a resource that can be used both for schools and school districts and then for families. It has lots of lessons and lots of games. So if you scroll all the way down, it has the different pages listed that BrainPop offers. So first is BrainPop for educators. So it has lots of good tools for teachers. The first is lesson plans. So they have lesson plans for grades 3 plus, lesson plans for grades K through 3, and then lesson plans for ELL students in all grades. They also have a list of games for all the grades. There's a list of essential ELA and math skills for grades 3 through 8. There's pacing guides so the teacher knows how fast to work through the content. There's social and emotional learning resources, there's digital citizenship resources, and then there's just some little fun resources that all of the grades can use. So there is also then some professional development resources. BrainPop offers workshops that are in person or online, so there's those. You can become a certified BrainPop educator. There's tips for how to implement BrainPop into the classroom. There's resources to help you lead a workshop. And then they have a connector so that you can connect with other teachers who work on BrainPop. They have a video that shows the connections between what BrainPop offers and what the academic standards are. There's learning activities and support resources, so they have movies and pause points and wordplay to help build knowledge. They have assessment tools, and then they also have extension tools. They have tools for school to home connection. So they have activities for groupings of 3 to 4 grades that students can take home. They have distance learning plans for if learning would need to go online. There's a tutorial for families, there's family tips, and then there is letters already formatted that you can send out to families, and then fun little login cards and bookmarks that you can send to them as well. And lastly, there's just some implementation ideas, so a list of how BrainPop can be implemented into the classroom. So the next is BrainPop for ELL learners. BrainPop has a separate program for students who are ELL learners. So they have a placement test that students can take to figure out where their English skills are, a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3 that they can use to work on. And then there's just some fun little free stuff for them as well. The main purpose of this is to work on vocabulary and grammar. So if you go into one of the levels, there's units, like level 1 starts with pronouns, works into nouns and articles in unit 3, and it just keeps going. Then there is also a BrainPop for Spanish speakers, a BrainPop for French speakers, and then there is BrainPop Junior, so these are for the younger grades, K through 3. So in this one, there is a movie of the week that they can watch, and then there's individual subjects they can look at. So BrainPop Junior has science, health, reading and writing, social studies, math, and then arts and technology. There's also a group of games and then free stuff that they can download and have as well. So if you go into one of the subjects, we'll just go into science. They have all these different subtopics that they can click into and within them. So if we click on animals, there's different stuff about all different kinds of animals. So that's BrainPop. It's a great resource for both students and administrators to implement into their schools, and also a great resource for families to use at home. There's lots of content in different subject areas, and there's lots of cool free stuff that students can download and use as well.